share with me your Pogi secrets. How you can become Pogi like you.
Oh. What can I do? When you take shower, you have to use feminine wash. Hormones. I didn't say anything.
I would like to compare if what you're saying is true. So, I have twins in my house. Look like a mirror image. Ryan, what can you see?
Are you my brother? Who's your mom? Sino nanay mo? You want to be Pogi like me? Are you ready to listen?
Yeah.
Gosh. Only you want, don't tell the others, really. If you tell the others, I will not talk to you anymore. Just, I'll tell you, only. Secret, huh? You have to wash your face before sleep 3 times. You have to use soap. And then when you take shower, using feminine wash. Full wash.
Now you're conjoined twins. Okay. I'm just looking at your faces now. Okay, say goodbye. Hey, man. I have to talk to your twins.
See you.
Sa paglabas ni Ivan, waring sinunod niya ang payo ni Ryan. Hanggang kinabukasan, naging makulit ang gising ni Ivan at Ryan. Maliban kina Ivan at Ryan, may dalawang housemates pang mukhang maganda ang gising.
You're pretty. Naman. Karoon ako naman ko. Wow. You're at my school? My God. You have all the guys. Don't worry, you're still pretty to find out. Ay, tayo. Kamika. Oh. My best friend. I love it.
Habang naliligo si Trisha, tinipon ni Jenny ang mga kasama para sa kanilang task na di pagpansin kay Trisha.
Guys. Kuya said yesterday, we have to increase our ignoring level. You shouldn't talk to her unless she talks to you first. Don't start talking with her. If one question by after one answer only, that's it. No unnecessary conversation. It's confusing her right now. It's not giving her effect. You know, akala niya parang task to or something. But it's giving wrong effect on her, so we shouldn't do that. We have to stop this as a short and fast. She has to feel na she's being ignored. Let's just make it really fast. And one day, tapos na yan.
Sa paglabas ng banyo ni Trisha, agad na pinatindi ng housemate ang di pagpansin sa kanya.
Like I've been there before. Chipmunks, no. Cause it's there for me too. Tama.
Tingnan ko siya,
Hanggang almusal ay walang kumitibo kay Trisha.
Ayaw, baby.
Kain na iPhone. Saan ay mo? Burns na.
I'm gonna tell you a new one. What's that, Kuya? Wash your hair?
Devon.
But maybe Brett, one I
Devon. Brett, who told you?
Ilang saglit tayo lumipat ng ilang housemates ng villa para mag-practice ng kanilang sayaw para sa Big Go concert.
Hello! Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Trisha and Ivan back to back. Here, this thing here.
Maapektuhan kaya ng practice ng housemates ang kanilang di pagpagkin kay Trisha, lalo na ang kanyang partner na si Ivan. Sa villa, naiwan para magluto sina Ann at Devon na parehong di marunong magluto.
Magugulo sila kasi tayong dalawang hindi marunong magluto.
Guys, we do partnerings right now. So partnering doesn't mean nanggigigiri. So that means it's not like you should be closer to each other. The song is cute. Oh. So you should look cute.
Ang pagluluto, nauna sa usapang Trisha.
Ano kaya si Trisha kasama nila? Paano nila yung siya? Hindi ko nga alam kung... Ay!
Maging ang choreographer na si Nikki, napansin na rin ang ilangan sa pagitan ni Ivan at Trisha.
Have fun. So and at the same time, let it naturally come out if you laugh. Look at each other more. Parang kayo dead man. Ang dalawa, parang dead man to each other. You know what dead man is? It's like dead. It's like you don't look at each other at all, or if you look at each other, it's like okay, I have to look.
Parang, di ba nag-beso-beso si sinakawin ko siya. Sabi niya yun. Hindi lang gano'n ko siya. Sometimes lalayo.
Girls, napasarap yata ang sismisan nyo. Masarap din ba yung niluluto nyo? Adobong pritong halo-halong sunog.
Ano? Naging masaya man ang pagsisimula ng araw ng mga teen housemates.